In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize tables in Google Docs. If you've been looking for an easy guide to set up and edit tables, then you're in the right place. Before we dive into today's tutorial, remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more quick tips and tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, you'll want to open Google Docs in your preferred web browser and log into your account. This might be familiar for many of you, but it's always good to start with the basics. Once you're in, you have the option to either open an existing document or create a brand new one. Both work for this tutorial, but I'll be demonstrating how to insert a custom table today. Now let's move on to actually adding the table. Look towards the menu bar at the top of your screen and find the Insert menu. Give it a click. You'll see a drop-down menu appear, and from here, you need to hover your mouse over the table option. At this point, a grid will appear before you. This is where you can determine the size of your table visually. Simply drag your mouse over the grid to select the number of rows and columns you need for your table. Once you've made your selection, click and voila, your table is inserted into the document. Next, we'll explore how you can customize this table to fit your needs. Maybe you realize you need more space for data? Not a problem. If you want to add more rows or columns, just right-click on any cell. From the menu that appears, you can choose options like Insert Row Above, Insert Row Below, Insert Column Left, or Insert Column Right. This gives you full control over the structure of your table. What if you need to combine some cells, perhaps to make a header? You can do that easily. Simply click and drag to select the cells you intend to merge, then right-click and choose Merge Cells. It's just that simple. After setting up the structure, you're probably wondering about adding content. That's straightforward too. Just click inside a cell and start typing your text. You're in control of the content and how it looks. But let's talk a bit about aesthetics next. Want to make your table pop or organize data visually? Try changing the background color of a cell. Click on a cell, then go to the toolbar and click the background color icon. Pick the color that best suits your style or presentation requirements. Furthermore, you can tweak the font size, style, or color as needed. And don't forget, you can also drag the cell borders to resize them and enhance readability or style. And that's it. With these few simple steps, you're all set to create and fully customize tables in Google Docs to match your specific needs. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.